Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Craig Burko with ACOM Health. This is another ACOM Health's Tools for Success presentation. Today's topic is the subject of audits. We'll be discussing, is this a problem happening in your practice, what causes this important issue, how to fix it, and if technology can help you. I will tell you this, that you don't want to get to a stage when you are receiving a letter that states you're being audited. In regards to audits, you want to make sure that you are proactive and in a preventive state to ensure that audits don't happen in the first place. Again, you don't want to get to a place where you're asking yourself, is this happening in my practice? You want to be at a state, and I say this slowly and clearly because this is such an important issue to chiropractors, the subject of audits. You want to be in preventative and proactive mode in ensuring that audits don't happen. What are some of the causes of audits? Lack of proper and complete documentation, inaccurate billing, inaccurate coding, and by coding I mean inaccurate diagnosis codes, inaccurate procedural codes, a lack of internal auditing or self-auditing or self-reviews. One thing for sure, that in regard to audits, the billing is only as accurate as you, the provider, having a system and procedures in place to ensure proper and more complete documentation, more accurate billing and coding, and systems in place to do your own self-auditing and self-reviews. Again, I've kind of jumped the gun here in regards to how to fix this issue, but this is such an important subject, especially in regards to chiropractors. You fix this issue by first improving and having more complete notes. Secondly, accurate diagnosis and CPT coding. And third, billing supported by more complete documentation. And number three, it's so important when we talk about supported by documentation that the documentation clearly supports the diagnosis codes chosen for the office visit, as well as it clearly helps defend chiropractically necessary procedures that are performed on that visit, upon which billing is going to be sent out. From my experience, software automation can definitely help the process of being preventative and proactive in regards to audits. And how can technology help? Well, electronic health records absolutely assist you in ensuring more complete and more solid notes, including more complete and more solid narrative reports for initial exams, re-exams, or final exams that may take place. Technology also ensures more accurate diagnosis and coding. With the right software, you cannot finalize a billing until you have checked for accuracy in both the diagnosis and coding and the accuracy in the documentation itself. I will tell you this, that automation may not be the sole answer for preventing an audit. But from my experience, automating your encounter notes through electronic health records, automating your billing system through a proper practice management software will definitely save you money and make you money on the very important subject of audits. ACOM has many chiropractors on staff that can listen to some of the challenges that you may be having in your practice, including the challenge of audits. Perhaps you're in an audit and you have a question, or perhaps you want to do everything you can to prevent and be proactive regarding a possible audit. Our staff at ACOM, the chiropractors on staff, would be happy to listen to your challenges and advise any best practices that they can offer in regards to this very important subject. ACOM's phone number is 866-286-5315, 866-286-5315. We invite you to call our staff. I thank you very much. My name is Dr. Craig Burko. This has been another ACOM Health Tools for Success presentation. Thank you.